How's it going, guys? We're going to be going over how to live off of options trading without needing millions of dollars. So let's go over to our favorite stock. You could choose whatever you want. For this example, we're going to be going over to Tesla stock because there's some pretty good volatility and there's pretty good money to be made with this stock in particular. So for this example, we're going to be going over to December 30th expiration date, which is it's a little less than a month, but we want to sell options every single month because we want to collect income every single month. And selling monthly options is a pretty good strategy, in my opinion. So we're going to be going down the strike prices. Something like a $180 strike is going to give us $520 of credit per contract that we sell. But we're going to be needing a collateral. And the collateral is going to be equal to the strike price, which is 180, multiplied by 100 times. So in this case, it's going to be $18,000 per contract. So for this example, let's calculate how much money we'll need to live off of options trading. So say you could live off of $5,000 per month. So in this case, we'll need to sell 10 contracts to meet our goal of $5,000 per month. In this case, it's going to be $5,200 every single month. That's going to be a pretty good income for most people. And you can definitely live off of $5,000 a month. And as we can see, we're going to be needing collateral equal to $180,000, which is a pretty big amount of money. But considering that most people need millions and millions of dollars to live off of their income, this is very small. It's a very small fraction compared to what most people need. So that's going to be a pretty good return, honestly. And it's very doable. Like if you do this strategy consistently, you can easily hit this $180 mark just in a few decades, honestly, as long as you're very consistent. And in no time, I'm sure that many of you will be able to live off of options trading, just selling options, selling cash secured puts. And of course, you can adjust the strike prices, the expiration date to your liking. But this is the whole general idea. You want to sell cash secured puts and calculate your monthly income, do monthly expiration dates, and overall, this is really going to give you a pretty good way to financial freedom. So how much is this? 5,200 per month. Let's go to our calculator here. 5,200 multiplied by 12 is going to give us $62,000, which is slightly above the average income salary that most people are making. So you could definitely live off of that. And of course, you can keep reinvesting it every single month, all the profit that you make back into more option contracts. And that'll really help you create that compound interest and create that wealth over the long run.